Hi everyone, it's 𝗖𝗛𝗧𝗧. If you are a graphic designer, having a portfolio website is essential. It showcases your best work, demonstrates your expertise and style, and helps you land a job or attract potential clients. With over 10 years of experience as a graphic designer, today I am excited to share some basic tips and guidance to help you get started on building your own graphic design portfolio website. Here is how you get started. Step number 1, choose a platform. Duh! Start by selecting a platform for your portfolio. Popular options include Behance, Dribbble, and Squarespace. Personally, I use Squarespace and I love it. It's so easy to use. It offers numerous templates tailored to different needs. And I recommend choosing a clean, simple, and organized template that's easy to navigate because overly complex or flashy design can distract from your work. As someone who's reviewed countless portfolios and resumes for hiring, I truly value clarity. Fancy graphics or intricate functions often feel like they're masking weak work rather than enhancing it. So just keep in mind to make it user-friendly. Always use a custom domain because it will show your professionalism and credibility. And it will also make it easier for potential employers or clients to remember you and trust you. Step number 2, showcase your best work. I recommend focusing quality over quantity and share only the projects you're proud of and show variety to highlight your skills. And if you're lacking diverse projects, I suggest creating your own. Design for an imaginary brand and I would just really have fun with it. The number of pieces to include depends on your experience, but I suggest at least 5 and no more than 20. On your website, make your work easy to find. Display it prominently on your homepage with clickable thumbnails that really entices viewers to explore further. And again, keep your layout simple. More images, less text. However, make sure you include a short description for each project. Explain the project's purpose, your design decisions, and how it solves a problem. It adds context for employers or clients who want to know more. Use high-quality images and mock-ups to present your work. For print designs, mock-ups are invaluable. They showcase your concept in a realistic and professional way. If you're looking for a great tool, try Pacdora, a platform with a huge library of mock-ups and die-line templates for package design. My portfolio is full of digital work, but not enough print projects. Recently, clients have been asking if I have experience in print design, so I felt the urgency to put together more pages featuring my print work. While working on this, I discovered Pacdora. Pacdora offers a powerful 3D modeling tool that takes your design and instantly generates realistic mock-ups of your projects. You can easily adjust the display angle, layers, backgrounds, and more. Often you don't end up with the actual packaging you designed in hand. Or even if you do, you might lack the skills or resources to create professional photos of your print work. And that is where Pacdora saves the day. Here's an example. A mailing box I worked on a few months ago. With Pacdora, I can customize the box dimensions to match the exact size I created. It's incredibly simple. Just drag and drop the design. I can rotate the mock-up in any direction to check that all sides are correctly aligned and even view how the box looks when it's fully open or laid flat. Once you've confirmed the design is accurate, you can use the 3D modeling tool to select scenes to present your product. When you're ready, just take a screenshot and it saves the file to your folder. It's that easy. Mockups are not just for portfolios. They're also great for getting client feedback and identifying issues early to save time and money. If you'd like to try Pacdora, click the link in the description below with the 20% off code 𝗖𝗎𝗍. Step number 3, add an about me and/or contact page. Make your contact details easy to find and make sure you include your email and LinkedIn to offer a glimpse of your resume, and Instagram if it adds value to your brand. Showing your face can help build trust and make you more relatable to potential clients or employers. Keep your bio short and sweet. Highlight your achievements, experience, expertise, and inspirations, and let your personality shine through. It's a great way to connect with your audience. And here is a bonus tip. Update your portfolio regularly. Even if you don't have new work to add, check for improvements every few months because there is always room for improvements. I could talk about portfolio websites all day long, but I'm gonna stop right here and keep it short. If you have any questions or need more advice, drop them in the comments below, and I really hope this helps you get started on creating your dream portfolio website. Thank you for watching.